A primary entry point has issued an administrative message. The PZ-420 virus has taken over the United States. If you're alive, help is coming. The United Kingdom has found a cure. The plane will land in Canada and then be transported down to the United States. Stay safe. Normal programming will resume.
Good morning, USA. I got a feeling that it's gonna be a wonderful day. The sun in the sky has a smile on his face, and he's shining a salute to the American race. Oh,